I've made for you a cake with a cuddling sweater all around it, and on top I've put the little penguin, the cute little penguin that I've made a few weeks ago. Here is the link if you want to have a look of how to make it and you want to make your own penguin as well. So let's see how to make it now. First of all, let's start adding some dab of buttercream frosting on top of a cake board. And we're gonna add our first layer of cake, and then we're gonna spread our buttercream on top of each layer. To just even it out even more, we're going to use an offset spatula. And we're going to continue that for each layer until we get to the last layer. Now I'm cutting all around the cake to make it all even with no bumps. After that, we're going to spread our frosting all around our cake. And then on top as well. Now we can use our cake smoother to get the frost nice and even, and then we can chill our cake for at least 2 hours. Then we need to cover the cake with frosting again a couple of times. And smooth it again. And you need to do this 3 times for each cake because you're going to get a really nice finish of the frosting. After the crumb coating is done, we're going to create a wool pattern onto it using a grater. You just need to press it gentle onto the cake and you're going to get a slightly rough frosting. To make the sweeter pattern onto the cake, I'm going to use some fondant. And the reason why I'm using fondant is that for me it is really very easy and very quick compared to the using the frosting. Plus, not everyone knows how to use it. And as you can see, I'm rolling some very long fondant, which it is quite thick. Then I'm folding in half, and then I'm trying to make my first oval shape. Then I twist it again, and then I'm doing the second one, twisting again for the third, and finally the fourth, cutting the extra at the bottom and press it so that it gets flat. Then with a grater, I'm pressing it onto the knitted pattern to get a similar effect of a sweater wool. Engrave the lines a little bit more so that it's going to look much nicer. And here it is. As you can see, it is really simple and it is very, very easy. So then I'm gonna put it onto the cake, pressing a little bit so that it does sticks onto the cake, and then cutting the top one with the scissors. Then I'm rolling a very long sausage, quite thin this time, not as big as the other one. Then fold in half and twist it. And you're going to need 2 for each side, And as you can see, I put them together and I put on each side of the knitted pattern. 2 on the right and 2 on the left. And then I carry on like this for the whole cake. At the top I've added some white frosting to make the snow, and with the offset spatula I've made some S lines on top of it. Finally, I've added the penguin that I've made a few weeks ago, and if you want to have a look, I'm going to put the link on the description box. And then I've added some red and white candies that I've made before. So as you can see, it is really easy to make and it could be a last minute cake. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the notification bell, as next week I'm going to make another video. But while you wait for that video, make sure to check out these 2 videos as well. But most of all guys, don't forget to be creative and have fun. See you next week. Bye bye!